In today's episode, we're dealing with 102 temperature outside and still organizing the garage. So if you're interested in see how far we got today, you know what to do. Stick around. Okay, today we have the shelves put together. We're going to clean off those shelves over there and replace everything in a normal fashion where I can find everything. And let me turn you around. Okay, and then once I do that, as far as rearrange the shelves, a lot of these boxes here that you see sitting here, they belong in there. So once I start this morning, I know that black one goes right there, and that one should go out in storage, but those right there, I think they belong in there, and that one, Lord knows. But today we're really going to concentrate on the shelves because the two new ones I put together. So I know we're going to scoot those two over, put one in the middle, and put one over there where those bins are stacked right there. So those bins will move two here and two beside it. I don't want them stacked that high. And then that'll be it for in here for the day. All right, getting started.
East Coast, always in me, Commonwealth, Lil Jon, getting love from my city, yeah. I roll call for the DMV. In my own lane, you could still ride with me, yeah.
Lord knows I made mistakes.
You want in, but it's too late.
I don't need your support, just to know I'm important.
And I won't ever sell myself short, cause I know you see me on the come up. Big girl with big dreams and big drip. Talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up. I'ma put my money where my mouth is. Talk a good game, I'm my alphabet. Even on my worst days, still an alphabet. Standing next to me, you gotta be an alphabet. 8 ball in your pocket, I'm your alphabet. Alphabet, baby.
Never really fit in, always felt like an alien.
I be in my own space of mind, making boss moves in my own time, and I
Got my own rise.
find me all alone. I'm on the road. I had to take a couple hits, a couple stones, but targets I don't ever miss. They wanna know.
Start to be me.
Let me give you this game for free. Know you see me on the come up. Big girl with big dreams and big drip. Talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up. I'ma put my money where my mouth is. Talk a good game, I'm my alphabet. Even on my worst days, still an alphabet. Standing next to me, you gotta be an alphabet. 8 ball in your pocket, I'm your alphabet. Yeah, alphabet, baby. Living for weekends, wishing I could take a break from this world. Running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna be a lost girl and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate above the ground and make eye contact with clouds. Now I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be spark. Living in this crazy time, putting back the pieces of my mind. I know how to run from the dark and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate into the clouds. I'm so high above the ground. I'm rising. I'm soaring above it. It all. I just wanna be free. Finally, I wanna be free.
Okay, I cleared off that top shelf and the second shelf because I have some black dishes I'm putting up there and some black and white ones I'm bringing out the house, putting it on these 2 shelves. I move those down, and cream over here. Over here I move my yellow and lemon. Here is the green. And then if you ladies are looking for, let me move these. If you ladies are looking for these island plates like this, they have these at General Dollar, and they were $1.25 a piece. I got the saucers and the plates, and then these I got off of Amazon, so they'll go with those. Now, what I did over here is I put the single little small snack plates there, and I put my magnolia plates there. They came from Pier 1. That stack of different color ones, they came from eBay. I moved my Thanksgiving plates here. I love these plates here from Pier 1. And then I moved the Christmas down here to the bottom. I still have some more dishes. I think I have some more snowflake plates to put there. And I think 2 more sets of Thanksgiving plates to put there. And I think that'll be all. Well, no, I have Easter dishes I need to get. And I'm going to put the Easter dishes right on this shelf up here. I'm trying to get all my seasonal dishes out of the bins and put them up where they're easy to find in the bins, because I'm going to get a bin system and I don't want anything to break that's in there. Now this aisle here, I'm going to move it around. It's going to be candlesticks, of course, but I have some purple plates. They're going to go up here on the top here, and then I have some, I can't think of the other ones. I have another set of plates I'm going to put here. Oh, I'm going to put the stuff for Mardi Gras out, as well as for Cinco de Mayo. I have some dishes for that. They're going to go on the shelf too. But I think mostly my candlesticks, I'm going to have them in a better order than they are there. And some of these vases I have here, they go in the cabinet over there with the other vases. I just have to move them. Laziness today is hot. That bottom shelf is going to stay those candle holders, because I have some things down there that are too tall to put anywhere else. But I think it's coming along. I put all my lanterns up top because I have 2 sets of black lanterns in the house, and they're going to go on that top shelf in the corner because I'm going to bring them out. I'm tired of seeing them in there. But I think everything is going so good as so far with me arranging my dishes. I just about got all of that set up. But I'm waiting on my niece. Will be back in tomorrow, and we will go ahead and finish the rest of this. And which mainly is putting these bins in order and putting the flowers in the containers they go in. Yeah. These bins all go in there. I need to rearrange that and get rid of the empty boxes, put the small appliances in the house, and I think that'll be it. I think 2 of these boxes go out in the shed. I know that one and that one, they go out in storage, and I think that one too goes out in storage. But the rest of this will stay in here. It'll be organized a lot better over there. Like some of my wires, things like that one, wrought iron, and some others over there, they'll be in between those shelves over there on the floor. So it's coming out pretty good, y'all. It's working out for me. So it's 101 out here now. I am going in. I did that little bit that I wanted to get done, get those dishes off the floor. I still have these clear plates. That's what it is. These clear plates here, 1 and 2, they need to get off the floor and find a shelf. So it's almost done, y'all. Almost. I'm watching because you know how people getting robbed these days in their own garages. This guy done passed by my house walking twice already. So I'm going in, y'all. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below and you'll be blessed.